Starting around the 28th of May 2023, Velo explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.65% in sort of most recent 60-minute. Or so they fundamentally thought. Velo in a real sense has an especially complete market cap of $17,495,137 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,592,870, which really is very huge. This explicitly makes Velo essentially positioning at 655 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo truly be truly worth in 2023, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Velo a fundamentally wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Will Velo cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which all things considered, is genuinely huge? These truly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a by and large significant manner. Velo value expectation 2023 is per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Velo cost for the most part is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $0. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to explicitly be $0 in especially huge manner. Besides, Velo can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $0, or so they especially thought. Velo value forecast May 2023. The cost of Velo explicitly is really anticipated to for the most part reach at a by and large least worth of $0 May 2023, which explicitly shows that this makes Velo especially positioning at 655 in the cryptographic money market, which by and large is genuinely huge. The Velo cost could truly arrive at a very greatest worth of $0, the very normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo value expectation June 2023. The cost for Velo in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, exhibiting how this truly makes Velo kind of positioning at 655 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Velo value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Velo in every practical sense is especially anticipated to sort of arrive at a really normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0, a truly least of $0, showing how while the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0. Velo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Velo could stretch around $0, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in August 2023 generally is $0, a genuinely normal cost of $0, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation September 2023. The cost of Velo is fundamentally anticipated to for the most part reach at in every way that really matters least worth of $0 September 2023, which in every practical sense is very critical. The Velo cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0, the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which is genuinely huge. Velo value conjecture October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Velo explicitly is supposed to by and large arrive at a truly least value worth of $0, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest cost of $0, the all things considered, normal cost around $0, a genuinely enormous manner. Velo value expectation November 2023. The cost of Velo really is generally anticipated to basically reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0 November 2023, or so they most certainly thought. The Velo cost could arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0, the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is gauged to sort of be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0 in essentially significant manner. The Velo value worth can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, showing the way that the Velo cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0, the essentially normal cost around $0, which in every practical sense is very huge. Velo exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost generally has shown a very decent increment of 31.69% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely critical. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Velo explicitly was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 51.98% in an unobtrusive manner. Velo basically has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and fundamentally put resources into a major way most certainly. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo generally diminished by 45.180%, killing an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth, which sort of is genuinely critical. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a very decent certainly purchase an open door for certainly speedy venture, or so they fundamentally thought. The 90 days cost change is around 18.89%, and the cost for the most part coursed from a base in every practical sense. Normal cost of $0 all things considered. Greatest especially normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days in a huge way. In very most recent 4 months, Velo by and large has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that Velo value estimate October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Velo truly is supposed to basically arrive at a really least value worth of $0, or so they basically thought. In this way, we generally feel that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, or so they for the most part thought. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo basically is expanded from 4 months, which sort of is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin in a real sense is up by 39.23%, with the truly greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin all things considered was around $0 the very least all things considered. Normal cost of especially was around $0 every practical sense, recent months, or so they thought. Velo value figure 2023 FAQs what will generally be Velo genuinely worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The Velo cost in every way that really matters is gauged to basically arrive at a greatest degree of $0 exceptionally least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Does Velo for the most part have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Velo truly has an exceptional pretty potential to arrive at new levels in an especially huge manner in a real sense. It most certainly is figure that Velo will increment in esteem, really in spite of prevalent thinking. As per sort of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Velo can explicitly stir things up around town the greatest cost of 55 cents till 2030 in an exceptionally huge manner. Is Velo essentially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Velo's incentive generally is supposed to sort of keep on growing, as lack will in general especially energize cost rise. Exceptionally further appearance how Velo value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0 a sort of huge manner. If it's not too much trouble. Note, there for the most part is a gamble to any speculation, which by and large is very huge. Just basically put resources into what you can in every way that really matters. Achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the exceptionally most extreme exploration truly conceivable in an extremely significant manner.